watching WCXT-TV, your hometown station. The current time is 11:59 p.m. Stay tuned, in a few minutes, a late night news will begin. Today's main topic is about great discoveries made by the Drexel Research Facility, including their new particle accelerator. A little later will be paid programming. Be sure to stay tuned because at 1:30 a.m. is Meditate, a new show that helps relieve stress or relax. The current time is now 12 o'clock a.m. Late night news will air shortly. You're watching WCXT-TV, your hometown station.
Civil authorities have requested an activation of the emergency alert system. This is not a test. There has been an explosion of unknown magnitude at the Drexel Research Facility. It is advised that you shelter in place due to fallout. Fallout spreads across large areas and is extremely fatal. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Bring food and supplies that will last up to 1 week. If you are unable to find a shelter, local authorities will locate one for you. Repeating, there has been an explosion of unknown magnitude at the Drexel Research Facility. It is advised that you shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned to this local media outlet for further information.
The following is a briefing from the Drexel Research Facility.
This message has been given authority to be broadcast by your state government in cooperation with the Drexel Research Foundation. The explosion of a particle accelerator at around earlier today has created what is believed to be a portal. A civil threat is imminent. Seek shelter immediately. Bring necessary items, such as food, water, and medical supplies. Do not leave your shelter until if you are told to do so. At this time, it isn't known what will come out of the portal, or where it goes to. Staff from the Foundation have observed that hostile beings may emerge from the portal. Please stay calm. It is important not to panic. Panicking will make the situation worse. for you and those around you. Normal programming has been suspended. This message will repeat.
There is an ongoing threat to the United States. Please stand by. An emergency message will broadcast shortly. There is an ongoing threat to the United States. Please stand by. An emergency message will broadcast shortly. There is an ongoing threat to the United States. Please.
This is a national emergency. Your life is at risk. Do not panic. An explosion of a particle accelerator earlier today has created a portal. It has been confirmed that the portal leads to an extraterrestrial planet. In addition, it has also been confirmed that there are foreign creatures emerging from this portal and they have been abducting citizens. After the abduction, it is speculated they will be taken to the extraterrestrial planet. At this time, it is unknown what happened there. Take shelter immediately. Only bring necessary items. If anyone you are sheltering with goes missing, do not attempt to find them. They are gone forever. If you see a creature, commit suicide immediately. They have found you. At this time, remember to stay calm. Panicking will make the situation worse. Normal programming has been suspended at the request of the United States government. This is not a test.
There is an ongoing threat to the United States. Please stand by. An emergency message is broadcast shortly to the United States. Please stand by. An emergency message will broadcast shortly. There is an ongoing threat
The United
to the
States
United
has
States.
fallen. The president has been killed. There is nothing more to be done. All hail the
There is
aliens.
an ongoing threat to the United States.
The United
Please
States has
stand by.
fallen.
An
The president
emergency
has been
message will
killed.
broadcast
There is
shortly.
nothing more to
There
be
is an
done.
ongoing threat to the United States. Please
You
stand
have
by.
been
An
defeated.
emergency
You
message
will now
broadcast
have
shortly.
to
There
option
is an ongoing threat to the
one
United
of the
States.
joined.
Please stand
You
by.
will assist
An
us in
emergency
our
message
effort
will
to
broadcast
gain
shortly.
control
There
of
is an
the
ongoing threat to the
Empyrean
United
space
States.
itself.
Please
Or
stand
you
by.
can refuse.
Emergency message will
Remember,
broadcast
we
shortly.
will
There
find
is an
you
ongoing
whether
threat
you
to the
like
United
it or
States.
not.
Please stand by.
There will be no
Emergency
further
message will broadcast shortly. There is
communication.
an ongoing threat to the United States. Please stand by. An emergency message will broadcast.